Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I have one of my favorite videos, and that is a clothing try on haul. Today's video is featuring Boohoo.com, and if you don't know what Boohoo is, I guess you're living under a rock, but basically it's an online clothing site. They sell men and women clothing. They're super affordable and they always have some type of sale going on. I'll try to make sure I link a coupon code down below for you guys, but 9 times out of 10 there's always a sale. So if you're interested in seeing this video, just make sure you stay tuned. So the first item I'm going to be telling you guys about is actually this robe that I have on right now. It's super sexy, it looks super expensive, and it's super affordable. That's the best part of the whole situation. I love robes. I like live in robes when I'm at home. It's a faux satin robe, and my favorite part about it are the sleeves. I like the way they're kind of dramatic. It's not like they're kind of balloon a little bit, but then they taper right here. You guys have been like me. I've been cooking so much since we stuck in the house on quarantine, and I just live in robes, so I always have one on. So it's just good to be able to roll my sleeves up whether I'm cooking or I'm washing dishes. I just really like this robe. But like I said, let me stand back for you guys. Super sexy, super sexy. Get a better look of it. I love this robe. It makes me feel like a housewife. Okay guys, so this next item I am wearing is super comfy and super cute. I got it in a size medium large. When I seen this, I had to get it. I feel like it's super big and just super cozy. It makes me want to cuddle up. This is the perfect sweater to wear to like Netflix and chill, especially if you're at home. I probably wouldn't even wear pants with this. TMI, but I probably would just like wear underwear on the couch with my boyfriend, chilling, watching movies all day, eating comfort food, and this comfy crew neck. It is so cute. I'm living for the color. Y'all know I love the muted vibes, and this is like a muted olive green, and I just love that color with my skin tone. Even if I just like threw on some biker shorts with it and went to the movies whenever outside opened back up, and you know, like some little sneakers or whatever. I just think this is so cute. It's so cute and comfy. Like, I can literally get inside of it and I just have so much room. While we're at it, moving on to the next item, I just had to hop on this trend and get me some of these. They're so freaking cute. These are more like a legging more so than a pants. I probably could have, you know, went up a size. They're cute. This next item is the balloon oversized shimmer shirt, and when I seen this shirt, I had to have it. Definitely my vibe. It's definitely not for everyone, but I loved it so much. Little cropped. It's not really cropped, but it's shorter. I just have on some biker shorts. It goes a little bit longer in the back of the shirt, and I just feel like that's gonna be, it's like toned down, but it makes a statement at the same time. And as you guys can see, it has like a little bit of a shimmer to it. Super trendy, and it looks expensive, I think. You could also do like the whole all black thing and just wear like some black high-waisted jeans with this. I feel like that would be super cute as well. It only has like 3 buttons going down the front, so it has kind of like a slight V, you know, deep V or whatever, but it's not giving off any cleavage. Definitely gonna be rocking this as soon as we can go out, have some drinks, have dinner. This is a cute little date night shirt and everything. As soon as we on punishment, I'm catching the flight, and that's on period. Love it. On to the next. I don't know if you guys are like this, but like slowly but surely I've like became a sneakerhead. I've been loving sneakers like when I was in high school and get, you know, get all the new releases and stuff like that, but slowly but surely now at my age now, I've become like sort of a sneakerhead. Definitely wanted to get me like some cute little tops in order to wear with my sneakers, and this is basically what I had in mind when I picked up this shirt. This shirt right here is called the Mix check, oversized contrast shirt. For us, for girls, for women, they tend to always try to make our plaid shirts like high in the front and then low in the back. I just wanted it to basically just be a normal plaid shirt. Like, I really would have took one in the men's section, but when I seen this one, it was super cute, and it's not really too oversized on me. This is a size medium. It fits me well. I like the way it fits. It's a good fit. I can wear this with like some jeans, and my favorite sneakers right now are the Jordan 1s, so I probably try to score me some of those to match this, like some jeans and some high socks. I think that will be really cute. I can wear it in the fall as well. Super, super cute. All right, you guys, I love this top so freaking much. Look at this. This is definitely giving me expensive vibes, but right now it's fitting pretty cool. It's really cute. I'm really liking the black with the cream. I mean, I could button this button, but I don't, it's giving me struggle vibes. So I'm not gonna, I would just wear like this, and I'll probably just order me like a little lace bralette that goes like, that's probably like ribbed around the edges up around here, so I could just have it open. I love that it has this detailing right here with the buttons. Love the stripes going down. It just looks really sexy to me. Or I probably would even wear like some pants that have like the leather look to them. I actually have some of those with this. I think that would be really cute with like some strappy heels or whatever. Or you can even wear some distressed, just denim, dark wash jeans with this as well. I'm actually tired now over it. All right, so this next item is a t-shirt. It's so simple, but I feel like it speaks volumes. I live for tops like this. Once again, it's that muted look, like that really pale pink look. I'm definitely one for detail, and it's like embroidered right here. This is the Her Edge something. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen, but I love this so much. When I first seen this, I'm like, I have to have it. Y'all know how I feel about Yeezy. That's the type of vibe that it gives me, like a Yeezy vibe. I said that in my last haul, but you guys just know how I feel about Yeezy. I just love the whole aesthetics of it. It's just like a clean, minimalist aesthetic, and I just love it so much. So it's embroidered right here. I believe that says numbers, but if I'm wrong, let me know. I'll probably Google it and see what it means. Like some nude biker shorts. You pretty much can do any color biker shorts with this. Would love to get my hands on some Yeezy 500s to wear with this. That's the thought that I had in my mind when I seen this. Like, I feel like that would be just so cute if I had this on with some biker shorts and then like the Yeezy 500s. I think that would look so bomb. I've actually been looking online for them, but the resale price crazy, like $500, and I just cannot bring myself to spend $500 on some tennis shoes. Like, I just can't bring myself to do it. The most I've ever done is $300 for myself. I just cannot bring myself to pay $500. Like, I feel like that could be something for my house. I'm a home decor freak as well, so I'm just like, do you know how much home decor stuff I could get with $500 depending on where I shop? Home Goods or something like that. Like, no, I can't do it. I think I'm gonna like end up doing it because I want those shoes so bad, and I know I will wear them. Like, I would definitely get my money's worth. But yeah, this is just a cute little t-shirt, and yeah, if you guys know me, I'm the comfy queen, so I definitely was gonna have some comfortable options in here, and I love this set so much. When I first got it, I actually tried it on. It's super chill. It has the 2 stripes. I don't know if that's supposed to be like Adidas inspired or knockoff or whatever, but it's super cute. The material is not that great. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Like, it's not necessarily see-through, but it's just really cheap and thin. I don't even know what size it is, but I'll put all the sizes down below. But yeah, this is the set. It's like a little long set. It's cool. Super thin. I think this is like my least favorite item of the whole haul because it is super thin, and I feel like I won't get too many wears out of this. I'll probably end up throwing this away, or that sounds really bad, but I'll probably end up like giving this away. But the good thing about sets, period, is that you look like you tried way harder than you actually did, because you can just throw this on. Like, as far as like being a real outfit, no. It's so awkward because my boyfriend is sitting right there watching me. Like, he's a weirdo. But let's move on to the next item. So I feel like I really left the best for last, and that's why if you made it to the end of this video, you a real one, because this has been, it's slightly long, but I'm gonna try to cut it down. This is the cutest matching set ever. I'm about to get on Boohoo right now and try to see if they have it in more colors. I do believe they did have it in more colors, but this is like my favorite item ever. That, on a scale of 1 to 10.
Nice.
On a scale of 1 to 10. Anyways, so this is the cutest matching set ever. I can't wait to take pictures in it. It's the fleece black knot detail drawstring oversized hoodie and the fleece back oversized jogger in the joggers. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed. It feels so good. Like, it feels expensive. Nothing like that last set I just had on. It feels so good. The only complaint that I have is I wish it was pockets right here, but I'm willing to just be okay with that because I love this detailing right here. The knots, it just adds character to the outfit. It's so freaking cute. I don't know how it's coming off on screen, but it's like, it's in the color blue, but it looks like a mint. These are actually 2 separate items. I did have to order both, you know, things separate. It didn't come together as a set. I knew this was cute, but I had no idea it was gonna look this cute. And I have a hood, which I won't be wearing a hood. I'm childish for this, but I just want to show you guys because I'm such a detailed person. I would definitely, hold on, I would definitely rock this sweatsuit with the oldies but goodies OG all white Air Forces. I would definitely have to rock this. So I got me some. So when quarantine is over, I'm gonna have my outfit laid out for the next day. I think this is gonna be the first outfit I wear. This is so freaking cute. Just loving this whole vibe. I'm loving it with this long dramatic hair. If you guys are interested in this hair, the video might be already out, might come out after or before, but this hair is super affordable, like less than $50. So make sure you guys tune into that video. I'm so freaking in love with this. I hadn't tried it on, so I wasn't ready. I was not ready, but this shit is popping. For real, I love it so much. I'm seriously about to get on there and see what other jogger sets they have. I have one more item left that I'm not gonna try on, but these are some letter printed tights, and I don't know if you guys have seen, there's a lot of like high-end places like Gucci and Fendi all with these tights, and they obviously have like F's on them, or they have G's for Gucci with the Gucci pattern, but I feel like this was a really cute, affordable knockoff. I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see. One size fits all. I haven't tried them on, but I don't know. They seem like they stretch a lot. But yeah, they're super cute, and I cannot wait to wear those. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. I'm still on the road to be monetized, so I would really appreciate if you guys hit a like on this video. It helps me out so much with YouTube's algorithm and like suggesting my videos. If you guys can share this video, I would be super grateful as well. And don't forget to comment and subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you never miss when I upload a video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll definitely have more affordable try-on hauls. See you next time. Bye.